The second loop we'll look at is a for loop. This loop is used when we want to repeat a block of code a predetermined number of times. An example might be if I want to count up from 0 to 9 and output each iteration. To begin a for loop, I need to write my statement for. I now need to create a variable within the statement which can be used to track the current iteration of the loop. In this case, I will use a variable simply called x. I now need to tell my loop how many iterations I want to complete. Well, I want my program to go from 0 to 9, so I can do this by stating in range, then within brackets I place in the starting number, which is 0, then separated by a comma, I put the max value plus 1. So I want to end on 9, so I will enter in 10. Finally, at the end of my statement, I will put in a colon. I now need to write in the block of code for my program. I just want to print out each iteration, so I will add in a print function containing my variable x. Now when I run my program, it prints out all the iterations from 0 to 9.